we have the door right, but at the end of the day, there's a few other items that we might need to make these doors a possibility to hang, right? So we can click right into our product catalog. And this is going to be where some maybe of those one-off items are. In this case, for our door parts, we have our door hinges that are going to be needed to hang. We have a door closer, make sure there's no door slamming. We have a nice little peephole if we want to see who's going to be entering or exiting, along with a doorknob, right? What do we need to open our door? For this case, they want to add some door hinges and a door closer. So we can add these products here. So you can see it's added right to the line item, right to the quote, and we go right from there. We have our two things that we want to add. We can select X right out of here, and we see the line items are added. So from door hinges, we know that we're going to need 2 per door. So change that quantity to 200. And then we'll need 100 door closers. And we can see the pricing has been updated here to reflect. So lastly, there's one other thing, right? Say we're going to be helping them install these doors. We necessarily don't have a part number or just a product already selected. We can write in an item right away and just add a part number of 22. The unit of measure is going to be 1. Pricing is, we're going to do $10 per door. We're going to have a quantity of 100. We can label this as install. And then we can also select if this is a labor item. You know, if this is integrated right into your ERP solution, this might be something for a financial or record keeping. We like to separate these just from our regular cost into labor cost as well. So these are all great parts that will help, you know, make things easier and help streamline that workflow.